Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'll discuss with you writing task 1, and the question for today is plan A below shows a health center in 2005. Plan B shows the same place in the present day. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So we are given plan A and plan B, which is representing a health center in the year 2005 and present day respectively. So we can see a lot of changes are there now, and CR is representing consulting room. So here we can see CR1, CR2, CR3. Now CR4 is also there. A room for consultation has also been built in, and a minor operation room is also there now. This greener area has been given to the car park. In the present day we can see this. Physiotherapy room remain unaltered. Reception desk has been moved from north direction or north side of the center, or you can say from the center of office and CR2 to the which direction is now? It is southwest direction. Now the entrance is also here in the southwest direction, which was in the middle of the consultant room 1 and 3 and at the south direction in the year 2005. Now two images depict how the design of a health facility has altered through time from 2005 to now. Overall, it is discernible from the graph, means clear from the graph, that the health center's size and amenities have grown, while certain rooms have shrunken in size. Means we can see that CR rooms have shrunken in size, but a lot of facilities are also there in the present day. Explicitly, in 2005, the complex included 3 indoor consulting rooms. However, a 4th consulting room has been built, lowering the size of the previous consulting rooms. In addition, a modest means a small operation room has been built behind the unmodified office, means the office remained unaltered. So behind this office, a minor operation room has been constructed. While the physiotherapy department has remained unaffected, and the physiotherapy department also remained unaffected. The maps also represent changes to the building's exterior. Now some changes are also there to the building's exterior, means the parking area to the south of the facility had a capacity of 12 places. Now the parking area, which is in the south direction of the building, had the capacity of holding 12 cars, but now, however, it has recently been expanded, taking the place of the land that was formerly utilized as a garden, and now it can accommodate 30 cars. So the garden area has been included in the car park area now. So because of this, now the area can accommodate 30 cars. The entrance has been shifted from south direction to the southwest, and a child play area has been constructed to the right of the entrance. So the child play area has also been constructed to the right side of the entrance, or you can also write that on the left side the reception desk has been installed, and the central area has been kept free. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.